Hi guys, it's Lulu here and welcome back to my channel. Today video, I'm so excited to be recording for you guys today. It's all about Imovie and their new update. So Imovie has just updated their app, so we're able to get all of the nice cuts and edits that Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro has. And we're able to do green screens, blue screens, cutaways, overlays, split screens, as well as they have like a whole bunch of soundtracks and music that they're added to their library. So I'm so excited to test it out, and I'm gonna be doing it actually on this clip I'm recording right now. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you're gonna use Imovie or if you're using Imovie and how do you like it so far then with the new update. So let's jump right into the video. So here you have it, guys. Here's my clip that I'm gonna be editing for you guys. So I'm going to do an overlay with my logo and the subscribe button. So I'm going to my albums, I'm picking my graphic that I created, and I'm going to choose the picture in picture, and I'm going to drop it in there, and you can touch the picture that you drop and you click the directional arrow so you can pinch and zoom the overlay to cover the whole video as you see here. And yes, I'm trying to fit it properly. Yes, here we go. So once that is in line, then you can kind of see how it looks in your video. Recording for you guys today, it's all about Imovie and their new update. So Imovie has just updated their app. Now let's try out the split screen. I'm going back to my albums. I'm choosing this picture, this landscape picture of these mountains in Vegas, and I'm dropping them in there, and there you go. The screen is split while I'm talking. So I muted the video that's playing right now because I don't want to keep hearing myself talking, and I sped it up. So there you go. And you can also change the side of the screen you want to have the split screen in, and also zoom in. So the last feature I'm going to show you guys is the green screen. So I selected the same picture and I dropped it in, and basically it asks me which part of the screen that I want transparent, so I can kind of edit it, and I edited the top clouds part. And now you can see my head from the previous video and you can kind of play with the strength to see how, you know, the edits you want to make with this. And that's pretty much it. That's how it looks when you replay it back. Looks cool. And let's show you the music part that they have. They have all these soundtracks that they added, and it's just like a whole bunch that you can add to your videos now, different varieties between the genre of music, so that is good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got a lot out of it. I can't wait to see what you all create and what I can create. So thank you for watching. Bye.